Hi, if you're participating in Metro RESA's iLead program, you should receive a link to make your payments. To begin, click on the registration link to register for your payment plan. Once you click on the link, it will be added to your cart if you are already logged into the registration system. If you're not logged in, you'll need to log in and then click the link again to immediately have it added to your dashboard. Yours may look a little different depending on whether you are in a Metro RESA district, in another Metro RESA district, or in a private school. Scroll down, choose your payment method. If you are paying for your endorsement yourself, you'll choose I will pay online. If your district or school is paying for this endorsement, you'll choose the appropriate answer here. In this case, I'm going to select my school will pay, and I'm going to enter my contact's information so that Metro RESA will know who to bill. And then I'm going to click Make Payment. If you are making payment, you will need to click on I will pay online and enter your credit card information.